Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn about the concept of minimum conductivity and electron and hole concentration in minimum conductivity condition. Okay, so also at the end we will see one problem also based on this. Okay, so it is also an important concept in basics of semiconductor. Okay, if you are first time to my channel, please consider subscribing and encourage me to do more videos like this. Right, so for maxima or minima we have to make this conductivity differentiate with respect to the concentration and made it equal to 0. Okay, let me explain. So what is conductivity of any semiconductor? So NQ mu n plus PQ mu p, NQ mu n plus PQ mu p. Let this be equation number 1. But from mass action law, we know that P is equal to, so mass action law is mainly used to find the minority carrier concentration. So minority carrier concentration is equal to Ni square by n. Okay, let this be equation number 2. So therefore what is conductivity now? NQ mu n plus P is now Ni square by n into Q into mu p. Okay, right? So I am considering here, suppose I am considering n-type semiconductor. Okay, right? So conductivity, right? So what is the conductivity now? So this is the formula. So for minimum conductivity, he is asking for minimum conductivity, that is sigma minimum. To obtain minimum conductivity, what is the condition? So you have to differentiate this conductivity with respect to the electron concentration and make it equal to 0. For maxima or minima, you have to differentiate with respect to the concentration of the carriers and made it equal to 0. Okay, so find d sigma by dn. So when you differentiate this term with respect to n, so you'll get q into mu n, because dn by dn is equal to 1 plus ni square into, so d by dn of 1 by n is minus 1 by n square. D by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So similarly d by dn of n 1 by n is minus 1 by n square into mu p into q. So this is equal to 0. So therefore q into mu n is equal to ni square by n square into mu p into q. So q and q gets cancelled off. Okay, so q and q gets cancelled off. What you are left over? Ni square n is equal to n square is equal to, so send this side. Okay, n square is equal to ni square into mu p by mu n. Ni square into mu p by mu n. So n is equal to, so taking square root on both sides. Okay, taking square root on both sides, therefore n is equal to n into root of mu p by mu n. So this is the formula for concentration of electrons. Okay, similarly if you take for P, if you solve for P, that is if you consider for P type semiconductor where the conductivity is, so conductivity is given by if in P type, what is the minority carrier concentration? N. So n is equal to Ni square by P. So if you take Ni square by P into Q into mu n plus PQ mu P and just substituting d sigma by dP is equal to 0, you will get n is equal to Ni into root of mu n by mu P, sorry, this is P is equal to. Okay, so this is the formula for majority carriers in n type and p type. Okay, so combining that concept, sigma minimum conductivity from equation 1. So this is the the concentration of electrons and holes in minimum conductivity region, in minimum conductivity condition. So these are the concentration of electrons and holes in minimum conductivity condition. So now we are going to find the minimum conductivity formula by substituting this in 1. So from 1, sigma minimum, that is minimum conductivity, is given by what is n? N is given by this Ni. So n is given by this Ni into root of mu p by mu n into q into mu n plus, now this is p. So what is p again? From here it is Ni into root of mu n by mu p into q mu p. Okay, so this will be, if you take q and ni common, in both q and ni common, so this will be root of mu p into mu n plus root of, this is also mu n into mu p. So it becomes 2 into q ni into root mu n mu p. So this is the formula for minimum conductivity. Okay, so just remember these formulas, very important, okay, for minimum conductivity, all the 3 formulas. Okay, so how we have got, so conductivity we have taken for n type from mass action law. So the minimum, so the minority charge carriers is given by Ni square by n. Just substitute that. For minimum conductivity, the conductivity with respect to the majority charge carrier concentration, differentiation of the conductivity with respect to majority charge carrier concentration we have to find, and made it equal to 0 because we are finding for minimum value. So for maximum or minimum, we have to differentiate and equate it to 0. So by doing so, you'll get the formula for n like this. Okay, concentration of electrons. And similarly, in the case of p type, we'll get the formula for holes like this. So these two are the concentration of electrons and concentration of holes under minimum conductivity condition. So using these two, we can find the formula for minimum conductivity from this equation 1. Okay, just substitute the values of n and p which we have obtained, and you will get the formula for minimum conductivity. Okay, so next we'll see a problem on this. Okay, so this is the problem. A semiconductor has the following parameters. He has given the mobility of electron, mobility of hole, intrinsic concentration, and asked you to find the minimum value of conductivity and hole concentration when the conductivity is minimum. Similarly, electron concentration when conductivity is minimum. Okay, so first question, the minimum conductivity, just we have solved. The formula is given by 2qni into root of mu n mu p. Okay, so 2 into what is q? Charge. So 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 into ni, intrinsic concentration, which is 3.6 into 10 to the power of 12, and into root of, so what is mu n given? 7500 into 300. Okay, so just solve this. I'll write the answer. 1.7 into 10 to the power of minus 3 mole per centimeter. Okay, so this is the conductivity, minimum conductivity. Second question is to find the hole concentration, that is P, when conductivity is minimum. So formula is Ni into root of mu n by mu p. Okay, remember that if you are calculating for hole, you have to write electron first. So electron by hole, mobility of electron by mobility of hole. Similarly, when you are finding for electron concentration, so it is Ni into root of hole by electron. So opposite here. So if you are finding for electron, you have to write hole by electron, and if you are finding for hole, you have to write electron by hole. Okay, so just remember this. What is Ni? 3.6 into 10 to the power of 12 root of mu n. Mu n is given by 7500 divided by mu p is 300. So if you calculate, you will get 1.8 into 10 to the power of 13 per cubic centimeter. Similarly, this 3.6 into 10 to the power of 12 just reversed, 300 by 7500, and if you calculate, you will get around 7.2 into 10 to the power of 11 per cubic centimeter. Okay, so this is how we can find the minimum conductivity, then hole concentration under minimum conductivity condition, and electron concentration under minimum conductivity condition. Okay, so you remember these three formulas are very important. Okay.